Let's make chicken wings. The healthiest part of this recipe is going to be organic.
Okay, tonight's seasoning is garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, thyme, and some red chili pepper for some heat. Give that a good mix and add it right on top of the wings, and then get right in there and make sure all of your chicken wings are nicely coated with that spice. Okay, next up, we're gonna start preparing our batter. I'm using a couple of eggs tonight. I have 2% milk, so I'm gonna use that. If you have buttermilk, you can certainly use that in lieu of the 2%. Give that a good mix.
1 cup of flour, baking powder, half a cup cornmeal, the same spices you just used. Mix it. Make a well. I really hope that's in the center of the well.
Okay, you'll see here the batter is really thick, so I'd like it a little bit thinner than that. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more milk, just a little bit at a time. It's gonna come out like a pancake batter, so it should be just a little bit drippy. You'll see one more little addition of milk in there, and now we're set. So we're probably gonna be using about 1.5 cups of milk total with the cup of flour and cornmeal to get a nice consistent batter. Okay, here we go. We've got to dress up these chicken wings, so don't be afraid. Just drop them right in that batter, push them down, and then we'll go ahead and pull them out. Try and take them by the edge. That way you don't lose any of the batter off of the chicken wing.
You got to dip them and drip them.
Okay, we're ready to cook. You can either air fry or deep fry. It's certainly your choice. I'm going to deep fry half and I'll also air fry half. Do me a favor as well while these chicken wings are cooking up. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you can see more great, easy recipes. These are great for lunch, dinner, snacks, street food, party food. Kids will certainly enjoy these types of chicken wings. Look at that nice golden brown color. You'll see me taste testing these wings in just a moment, but I can let you know now they are nothing short of spectacular. A little bit of sauce here. I'm using some butter, chopped garlic, and a little bit of hot sauce, and then I'll give all of the chicken wings a really good toss. And then I'm gonna top them off with a little bit of honey and sesame seed. That way I've got sweet, spicy, hot. Oh, these are just delicious chicken wings. There's that sauce. We're gonna give these a good shake so they're really well coated. If you search on my channel, you'll notice that I do have a playlist dedicated entirely to chicken wings. I love making chicken wings for myself, for everybody. I've got so many different great recipes. Add this one to your rotation. You're really going to enjoy these. The sweet and spicy flavor is just fantastic. So these delicious chicken wings are now plated up, and here comes that honey, and then we'll top them off and finish them off with a few sesame seeds.
I'm so excited to give these chicken wings a try. Easy recipe. Hope you followed along. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, share, follow, all that good stuff. So that way you can see more great, easy recipes. You can make cooking fun. Enjoy it in your own kitchen. You'll become your own master chef when you follow just nice, easy recipes like this. Whether you call them fast food, street food, they're just great food. These are going to be fantastic. I know it. I can smell it already. Oh, the hot, the sweet, the spicy, the flavor. Wow. If you're looking for party food or Super Bowl food, this is it. Get these on your menu. Add this recipe to your rotation. You're gonna thank me later. I don't know if I can do the push and pull with these though, because they are breaded pretty heavily in, right to the front. Front row. Oh, those are hot, 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 hot. Okay, here we go. Those are freaking fantastic. I'm gonna finish it off. I'm gonna take one that was air fried. I air fried it, even though it's breaded. Okay, here's the push and pull. Remember, take your flat, grip it, push it, dip it, and pull it.